To get started with our phone app, you need to first ensure that you've installed the app. You can go to the Google Play Store, and if you search for OpenThings, you'll see the blue T icon is the OpenThings app. I've already got it installed, so I'm going to launch it from my desktop. Clicking on it, I'm already signed in, so it remembers who was signed in last. So what I'm going to do is just show you how to register. I'm going to sign out. What will happen is the first time you open the app, it will take you to the sign-in page. If you haven't got a login using your email address, click sign up, enter your details, and click sign up. What will happen is an email will be sent to the email address that you used with the verification code and a link. If you click on the link, it will automatically verify you, or you can take the code and manually capture it here by clicking verify account. Once you've got your account verified, you can log in. So I'm just going to use my login. Alright, I've put my password in. If I click sign in, I'm going to log in and get all my details. So it defaults to the dashboard. I'll give you another video on how to manage your dashboard. For this exercise now, it's just to enable you to log in and share devices. So if you go to the device tab down the bottom, I have a lot of devices on my profile, and for example, I wanted to share SBS tanks, the device that's on their tanks with somebody at SBS. I can find SBS tanks by scrolling down and finding the SBS tanks office. One thing you can see straight away is that there's full battery power and that the signal strength is pretty average. You can see that it's sent data a few seconds ago. If I click on it, it will give us the temperature at the bottom, temperature at the top, and the reservoir level, and your indications again. You'll notice as well, if I click off it, how the menu at the bottom changes accordingly. So the menu where I've selected the device, if I now go and click on SBS Tanks Office, you'll notice that the tab at the bottom changes. If I click on the little arrow, it takes you to another screen just showing you all your signals from that device. The other thing that you can do as well is if you click on the map icon, what it will do is it will take you through to the map and show you your pins locations on the map. So I can go and select a different device and it will show up accordingly. To share this device with somebody at SBS Tanks, for example, you can click on the little cog and you can go and say share, and this is where you can share it with anyone that you want to. So for an example, I'm going to go someone at SBS Tanks.co.za. You'll notice that you've got various roles that you can give them, so you can either have read, write, or admin access. I'm going to leave it on read access. That's the safest, because what that does is it only allows this person to be able to view and not change anything regarding the device. Now that I've done that, that user can go and log in, and when they go to their devices, the only device that they'll see is the SBS Tanks in the list, as they only shared with that device. They will then have the same facilities to be able to go and view the information, but they won't be able to go and edit any information, and they won't be able to share it with anyone else, being a read-only user.